Hi, hello everyone. Let us see how we traded today, how many of our stocks which we planned before market has given entry and how we traded them. So without wasting time, let me quickly open the stocks which we planned. So these are all the 8 stocks which we planned for today. Out of all these 8, we got entry in SBI Life. We missed entry in PVR just by like 2 rupees or something. And we got entry in MFSL. We also got entry in ACC. Let us see how we traded, how many of them has given stop loss and how we traded them. First, let me quickly open first SBI Life. So SBI Life, first we plan to go short around this area, around 1303. So let me open the screenshot one more time. See, wherever you see this sign, level above level, LAL, which means we have to be a bit careful there because there will be 2 levels. We don't know from which level it is going to it is going to react. And similar way for buy, if you see LBL, level below level, which means there are like 2 levels. We need to be a bit cautious. Only demand and supply traders, they know exactly how to deal with these kind of levels. So even ACC also, it is level above level. So 3 stocks we have something like that. So now let us see. So first it came normally when there are like level above level, we'll wait for the confirmation entry. Even if you enter here aggressively, you should have your stop loss should have gone here. And this is the area where we wanted to enter one more time. And from there, if you see, it already gave 1:1.5. If you have booked any loss in the first trade, definitely from here you should have recovered that loss. Now the other stock, okay, let me show you PVR Inox. PVR Inox, we wanted to go long around 1461.50. If you see the low of this is 1464. So we missed entry just by like, 1.5-2 rupees, something like that, and it gave the target. That's fine. We'll ignore it as we didn't get the entry. And ACC. ACC is a clear stop loss trade. First, we wanted to short here. It break through and it went to the second level, and even the stop loss has gone over there also. So ACC, we accept this is a clear stop loss trade which we entered today. And the other one, MFSL. Okay, MFSL, we wanted to enter short around 8:16:30. So let me see if we mark the numbers correctly. Yeah, we wanted to short around 18:16 and it came here and it clearly gave entry, and from there we have seen price coming down. So initially we planned 1:2.7. If you are risking 1,000 rupees, the profit will be 2,700. But if anybody trailed, they should have given not only 2,700 but 4,000. This is not like a one-time thing. Even if you have waited, it gave the chance multiple times to enter with 1:4 trade, almost 2-3 times. If you are risking 1,000, you should have got 4,000 rupees here, or at least 2,700, which we initially planned. This is about the MFSL. Now let me summarize what would have been if someone traded in all the levels. So demand and supply traders definitely should have come out of this trade with no loss or with some profit. And ACC, definitely this is a stop loss trade. And MFSL, this has given 1:2.7. So overall, even if let's say if this is break even, this is like 2 SLs, by trading MFSL just with the plan target, you should be overall with small 700 profit, something like that. If you have properly trailed this and if you have properly covered this SBI Life, you should have still been in profit in these 3 trades. That is it about stocks for today. Now let us see how we traded in index. So let me open Nifty chart. So in Nifty, yesterday we wanted to go long. What we planned yesterday was, let me show you. We wanted to go long above this and we wanted to go short below this. And what happened? It just opened inside the previous high and previous low, and it just filled the gap, and from there it started coming down. And remember, when it was breaking this level, previous low, even before breaking this level, I alerted everyone something very important, saying that it can trap. Let me show you that. So this is what I posted in the Telegram group. Only scalpers can short it below previous low for just like 20-30 points target, because there is a demand zone just below 20-30 points. Normally what people do, once it go previous low, they will aggressively enter in short. As a demand and supply trader, by looking at the demand zone just like 20 points below, I know this is a trap level. This is what I have alerted on the Telegram group. And you can see exactly, so whoever entered shorts below previous low, everyone got trapped. The moment they entered, it started moving up. So everyone should have got trapped in Nifty puts over there. So again, this is not a great day for option buyers, because if you see, only lucky people should have got, like whoever entered by luckily put here, or someone entered luckily call here, should have made money. Otherwise, it didn't give any proper clear trades in Nifty today. See, look at this swing. If it go there, and if it came all the way down, even if someone entered put, it went this much high. Nobody can hold their puts when when Nifty move this much high. So this is not a great day. But definitely, at least as a demand and supply traders, we know exactly what is trap. We found this trap, and we didn't enter any put in Nifty. And for tomorrow, uh, let's see for tomorrow. Tomorrow, if the price come in between these two areas around 19,000, let me zoom in little bit. Whoever watching from phones also can see this clearly. Okay. Okay. If it go to 19,821, we look to go short there for lower targets. And if you enter here, your SL should be above this demand area, 19,870 level, something like that. If the price sustain above, we look to go long. And below 19,660, we look to go short in Nifty for tomorrow. That should be the plan. Now let us go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, see, this is what I have drawn in the morning and I was waiting for it. So same thing, it didn't give great move. I was waiting for it to break this trend line. I just connected these two highs. Obviously, it will get extended. And if you see today also, it is respecting the trend line. The moment it go close to that area, it started falling down. For tomorrow, if the price go below 45,780 level, we look to go short. And this is where we look to go short. And if it break this trend line, that is where we look to go long in Bank Nifty. This is about Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Now, let me show you FinNifty chart where we traded little bit today. The reason we traded in FinNifty was tomorrow is expiry, so we'll be getting all the strikes at very less premium. So let me go to the 5 minutes chart. In FinNifty, we did a couple of trades. Around here, we entered one call. Let me see what is that call. So today, I just opened the Telegram. Okay, 20,600, we entered around 73. So this is where we entered the call. But what happened? Immediately it came down. We waited it patiently. We wanted the price go below this current day low so that we can exit. From there, it came low. Again, it went much high. And around this area, in this candle, we made exit. So let's see what is the price we entered. We entered around 73 rupees this call. We clearly waited. We are not afraid because we were according to the trend only. So, and we came out of that call around 92 rupees. Around in this candle, we came out of this call, and later in the next two candles, it went even like above 100. And from there, it started falling down. And why we made exit in this, let me show you on 15 minutes. The reason why I exit over there instead of trailing is, if I apply super trend over there, it will clearly show you that there is some resistance. So if you see, there was this resistance. That is the reason I had this feeling it can come down from there. Only if it's sustained above, then I wanted to go long. So first I came out of this trade around 92, 93 rupees. Later it went to 100. Not only Fin Nifty, even Bank Nifty and Nifty were also facing the same resistance. Those two indices didn't break this super trend. Only Fin Nifty went little above and then it started falling down. And we also made one more trade. The other trade, like, which we tried in Fin Nifty was this. See, we entered long here. The moment it came back, this is the area. It broke this level. And when it came back to this level, this is where we wanted to go long with a stop loss below this line. And we want the price to move high. When we have seen it basing for very long time, we were not comfortable. The moment it come here, it should start going up. When it takes too much time there, which means it don't have strength. So I said clearly it is not showing any strength, which means we need to exit. I said that, and you can see the same thing on Telegram. So it broke this level, it came back, and this is where we wanted to go long for a bigger target. And then what happened? From there, if you see, it was basing. Okay, in the same, this thing will go to the comments. Here we'll see it is basing a lot, not good, not looking good now, which means we need to get out of this. And later what happened? We have seen sharp red candles from that level. So that is about one trade which we entered. We also entered one more trade. If you see, this is what happened. And let us see. Around the below areas, we tried somewhere some call. This didn't work around 58. We entered, I think we booked some loss in this around 48, something like that. Around 10 points we booked loss. And when we have seen price going close to the intraday form supply area, I asked everyone to enter 20,600 put around 94 to 97. So from there, from 97, even if I take it 97, it made almost 130 or more than 130 something. We booked almost 30 points here. So let me show you. From this area, we booked almost 30 points. Here we booked almost 20 points. And in between here, we gave 10 to 15 points SL. So that is what happened in Fin Nifty. And for tomorrow is expiry. So first let me show you on 15 minutes how we should be trading Fin Nifty for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, if you see Fin Nifty going above 20,600 with this small hurdle all-time high, we can look to go long. And below 20,450, we can definitely look to go short for the lower levels. So that should be the plan in Fin Nifty for tomorrow. And if you remember, we have also entered some hero zero calls in Fin Nifty for tomorrow. That was 20,400. That was just like a 20 points top, 30 points hero zero. The reason we entered that hero zero is we normally don't carry all those hero zeros. Today, the reason we entered that is, let me go to this Nifty. If you look at Nifty from yesterday continuously, it is showing downtrend. And even today also at the closing, it was closing at very low. And even it was closing little below the demand area. And if I look Bank Nifty, it is closing below previous low and it is also closing below 46,000 mark. So with all this, I had this small feeling somewhere like tomorrow it is going to be negative. At the same time, I don't want to take any overnight risk because anything could happen. Any good news could lead market into great green, or it can follow the downtrend as well. So just 30 points we entered as hero zero. So which should be fine. That should be a normal risk which we take. So this is the reason I entered in Fin Nifty 20,400. We'll see. If it don't work, that's fine. If it works, it will be a great trade. So that is all about Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. Now, let me show you the trades for tomorrow. So these are all the trades, 8 stocks which we planned for tomorrow. Out of them, Let's see how many of them are going to give us entry. I'm going to post this on the Telegram channel as well, so that you can guys mark all these levels on your charts. Thank you so much for watching.